Hello and welcome to our YouTube series where I'll be showing you how to set up a program on Tomat in 6 easy steps. So the first step is to add a group. This usually refers to the organizations that have some kind of admin role within your program. Then we'll be adding the program settings together. So this usually refers to the amount of money that we'll be giving to each category of participant in terms of like household size, and also which product categories you'd like to have eligible for your own program. Then we'll be adding a subscription period together, and we'll be importing a list of participants who will then be assigned a subscription and a card. So as a first step, we'll be adding a group to the program, and then we'll set the program settings together. So groups are really important because they're usually the administrative units that will take part in your program. So these can be organizations or specific groups that have an administrative position within your program. So we'll simply add one. I'll just make a fictional one called support. And I'll be using my email address, and you can just click add, and there it is. So we successfully added our administrative group, and now we can go to the program settings. So here we have 2 categories. So you have the participant categories and the product groups. So the participant categories, usually most programs will opt for household size. So for example, is it like a single person household? Is it a couple? Is it a family? This is usually what this category is used for. And then we have the product groups, which are usually the eligible food categories for a program. So by default, we put the all category, but you can definitely edit the name. For instance, this is very useful if you would like to give different set amounts of money per different food categories. So let's say we put add a group and you would like to put a specific amount of money for fruits or vegetables, then you could do that right here. But just for the sake of this video, we're going to keep the default category because this is what usually programs will most often opt for. But if we go back to the participant categories, which also are our second step, we'll just click on create a category, and here I'll simply do the household sizes that we were talking about, and the association keys are basically the keywords that you'll be adding within your spreadsheet when you'll be importing participants. This is really important. It'll make a lot more sense in 2 videos. For now, we can definitely use the same association keyword as the category name, and I'll simply add this. Let me just refresh the page, and we can see that we successfully added the single person household. And we'll do this for couples and families as well. So if I refresh my page, we can see that we successfully added all our categories, and in the second video, I'll be showing you how to add a subscription period.